So I came out here a few hours ago, or probably 4 hours ago. I'm gonna cut the yard, charge the battery up, aired the tires up on the rear. Couldn't get it to start. Messed around with it. Thought maybe bad gas, mess with that. Anyway, what I found out was there's no spark. I could pull the plug out and hold it up against, something grounding and spin it over, and I'd get no spark. But if I touched the electrode of the plug to something metal, say this little tin thing here, I could get just a very little, see a little bit of blue spark right up against the electrode, just almost touching. And so I figured maybe this Spark Advance module here may have went bad or whatever. So I went to taking things apart and was kind of planning on maybe replacing that and whatnot. But what I found was the coils had rusted up. If you see right here where this coil pickup, I took the coils off and sanded them. They were all rusted up right in here. And there's a magnet on the flywheel here. You see the magnet there? It was all rusted up. And so cleaned both of those coils, cleaned the magnet up, and went to check my spark again. Electrocuted myself, so definitely got good spark, and it runs now. So I'll demonstrate that for you. So if you got a mower that been setting up a year or so, it hadn't been run, and it won't crank, has no spark, could be the issue. Oh yeah, and if you notice, that's a car muffler I put on there last year. This thing was so loud. It's a lot wetter than down there. But yeah, I gotta get it all put back together here. I'm glad that's all it was. I didn't have to spend a couple $100 on coils and that ignition module and whatever else. Just a little sandpaper, and got her back going. So, like I say, if you got an old mower setting up, not getting any spark, be the first thing I would check. It's got rust on the flywheel and the coil. And you take these off and you spin it around to where this magnet's right there on the coil, and well, it'll focus. Get you a piece of paper, or a business card, or double a piece of paper or something, and set your gap right there from here all the way across. You want it as close as you can get it without it hitting, because these holes right here are slotted and it'll allow this coil to move in and out. But you put your piece of paper, double a piece of paper up, printer paper, or a business card or service tag or something like that, and snug your bolts up, and then rotate the flywheel and pull it out and whatnot. But that should get you going. Thanks for watching.